Would you prefer this or this? Let's make it. All right, in your hot pan, pour in your vegetable oil, pour in your chopped onions, chop it however you want, okay? Just do you. And then you add in your garlic and your ginger. Mine is frozen. You know by now, that's how I preserve things. I just blend it and put it in my freezer. So you stir it around for a bit, then you add in your tomato paste. This is not your fresh blended tomatoes. This is just your sachet tomato. But you can use fresh tomatoes if that's what you feel like doing. So because I did not want any waste, I rinsed the plate with a little bit of water, poured it in and covered it, and I let it fry. Okay, so now I went in with my curry and Cameroon pepper. You can use fresh pepper. I just did not feel like chopping anything that day. So just you do you. Okay, so this is the seasoning cubes. Just make sure you're using the right amount. This should do it. And then the star of the dish, baked beans. All right, just let it fry. On this day, I just was tired of the normal sauce. I decided to do something different. This is actually my first time making it. First time eating it. I think I coined it or I curated it. Well, correct me if I'm wrong, but that's what I think. Add your salt to taste, and that's it. You can actually eat it like this if you want. All right, but because I wanted to go a step further, a notch higher, I added in my eggs. Not my eggs. My eggs are safe. I added in eggs into it like so. Let it fry for a bit, and that's it, guys. So if you'd like to serve it with, if you'd want, you could serve it with rice or yam. Like this sauce with the eggs, I eat it with yam, but it will be better with rice. I think so. So it will go with any kind of dish, no matter how you make it. It is yummy, it is juicy, it's giving everything it should give. Let me know if you'll be trying it. I know it's actually a very weird combo, but it is worth it. All right, see you on my next one. Bye.